Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen for Ethereum as well. My trades are up from yesterday, which is beautiful. It's my trade. I'm doing only $1,000 trades like you guys requested. I asked the vote, do you want me to do $100,000 trades or $1,000 trades? And nearly 90+% of you said the $1,000 trades, so you guys can follow along, which is beautiful. And with these $1,000 trades, making like $500 a day, which is very nice, 50% in one day. I will also show you, I'm mostly in US dollars. I'm a venture capitalist, so I have millions in different crypto projects, but I'm mainly, anything that's liquid is in US dollars, including my stocks at the moment, because I saw a few days ago, I've been selling most of my cryptos, even in stocks on November 11th when we're at peaked. And now I'm starting to wait to the extreme fear when something really big happens and really nukes the price of Bitcoin and stocks, then I'm going to start buying up everything, which I think is very close to happening. And that's, people are thinking, oh, why would you do that? Why would you sell your portfolio? Because if you followed me on November 11th and sold the top, even if you followed last week and sold on the 5th or like 2 weeks ago, that's saving 15-20% to your portfolio. If you sold November 11th, you saved 90% of your portfolio. That means if you have $10 million, you keep $9 million extra on your portfolios. So you keep that 10 million, where most people would have just let it drop 90%. And that's something that I've learned with 20 years experience. I didn't used to do that. I used to just hold and watch my portfolios get nuked 50%, 30%. And then again, they will go up in the long run, but you can time the markets with technical analysis. And then you really, really compound your gains. For example, if you sold last week, you've now saved 30% on your stocks and your crypto portfolio. If you have $10 million, you just saved $3 million. And now you buy back on the bottom, and when it goes back up, you actually make another $3 million. You make $6 million. Now, if you have a $1,000 portfolio and you sold last week with me, now instead of having $700, you still have $1,000. Now you buy again when it gets to that $700 and it goes back up. Now you have $1,300 and really compounds your gains instead of just holding on and dropping the market. I don't like this HODL bullshit. HODL is not good for anyone, not if you've got a small portfolio, not if you've got millions or billions of dollars of portfolio. It's never good because you can time the markets with technical analysis. It's a myth I don't know why it's pushed so much. For the average investor who doesn't learn TA, buying and holding and dollar cost averaging, buying every month is the best strategy. But if you learn technical analysis, you can join 6,000 of my students and learn it. You can learn it in 12 hours and it really makes a huge difference to your life. Hit the subscribe button. We're very close to 70,000 subscribers. We're like 80 people away, which is amazing. Hit the thumbs up button and comment when you subscribe. If you subscribe to the channel, comment down below, subscribe. I'm going to pick a winner for $200 US down in the comment section, USDT, which will be beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So now I'm going to technicals for Bitcoin, and on the daily, let's go on the daily. On the daily, we're still heading down and volume's picking up. And look at that. It's holding exactly on my trend line. So if you're looking at this, you're going, what the hell is this? This is the price of Bitcoin moving over time, as I talk about all the time. It's been falling since November 11th. We're now making a bearish pennant on the long-term time frame. A bearish pennant this was November 11th when it peaked, and I called it the top exactly. And then we've been falling, and now we're making this pennant. And usually a bearish pennant continues the trend. And right now we're inside the 10. Look at, this is why you need to learn technical analysis. My line was drawn before, and look how Bitcoin's exactly holding. Volume is dropping, a lot of sell pressure. Stochastic is heading down. On the daily, it's still looking bad. We're still looking like we're going to drop. If we don't hold here, then we drop very quickly, and we drop the base of the trend to 29,000. And that's where I think we're going to have a big bounce. So if it doesn't hold here, expect 29K will be the place that we can drop down to. We're holding on this support line at 38,000. VPVR, we have a lot of support here. This is the main buying and selling. If this breaks, there's nothing down below to hold up Bitcoin from going to 29K. The Crypto Guru bot fired a sell again a few days ago, and you get the Crypto bot in the master course, Crypto master course in the description, pin comment. It fired a sell on the Bitcoin indicator bot. Stochastic is heading down. Everything's still looking bearish. Squeeze mob is trying to go to the green side but failing. Money is starting to flow back into Bitcoin on the daily. Now let's go in the 4 hourly, see what's going to happen for the next day. So we go into the 4 hourly charts. 4 hourly charts, we're trying to hold here, and it's getting a little bit of bounce, but not enough volume. In my opinion, it's going to fail here and break. And we've also now formed a head and shoulders, shoulder, head and shoulders formation, bearish pattern to drop. We're going to drop the base of, as I said yesterday, I think we're going to drop the base of the head, which will take us down to 20 to here. 32,000, we're going to get a bounce, and that lines up with previous supports a little bit higher. I would say here 32,900, that's where we should get a big bounce on the 4 hourly. Bitcoin indicator bot is still showing a sell. It's fired a buy, but it's not showing a sell yet. But I think it's going to VPVR, not much support underneath here. So that's why it's dangerous where we are. And I really think we can drop quickly if it doesn't recover. If it doesn't bounce strongly off this line with volume, and it's not, EMA ribbons are turning very down. So if you haven't opened a trade, I would be shorting here. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can go under the video. Hit the subscribe button, smash up this thumbs up button, hit the subscribe, join nearly 70,000 subscribers. We're about 80 people away. Click the join button to follow my live trades in stocks and cryptos. If you've been following my trades, for example, yesterday's trades, we're up 22% on Bitcoin from yesterday, $124. Ethereum trade is up 37%, $248. Small trades, but still 37% is massive. I used $562 to make $121 profit on Bitcoin, up 21%. I used $660 to make $245 profit on Ethereum, up 37%. In this account, I have 187,770 US dollars, 4.9 Bitcoin. It's all USDT, 182,000 ready to deploy into Bitcoin when it finds its bottom. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video here, go down below and then click this, go to the Bitcoin trading Bybit link. This link, sign up bonus 4,100 USD when you sign up to Bybit. That gives you this trading software. So these shorts are still open. Now I'm going to see on Bitcoin, I think I would go add more to my, I expect Bitcoin not to bounce here. The 4 hourly is turning up. On the hourly, we're turning up. So we could get a little bit of a bounce, and there is volume, but I think it's going to fail. So what I would do is actually wait till it bounces to here and then short it. So short after it gets to here, this resistance here. I would set a very tight stop loss. The stop loss just above 39,787, and the take profit down here 32,000. That's a 3.7 ratio trade. I'm risking $1,400 to make $5,398 unleveraged. If I use 10x leverage, that's $53,000 profits. If I use 100x leverage, $530,000 of profits. That's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. So I've still got my short open here on Bitcoin, and it's a 5. I'm going to add more to the short at this point. So I'm going to make another order. So my order, I'll set it to open another short, add to my short position. Actually, I'll do it here on this recovery area because I think it can bounce here before dropping. So my short, I'm going to add to my short at 38,800. So open short, limit, order price 38,800. It'll add another $600 to my short, which will then make my short $1,000 total. So it's going to add to my short. My order is here set, and my take profit is the same, 34,685. I think I'll modify that to be 33,400 will be my take profit. This yellow trend, 33,000 will be my take profit. I'm going to edit that, 33,000. And my stop loss, 40,500. Let's check my stop loss. My stop loss, we modify it to be 40,264. 44,500. So that trade is set. The new order is set. So add to my short another 0.16 Bitcoin, another $600, which will make the total of this Bitcoin trade $1,100, which will be $11,000 Bitcoin short. Let's jump on Ethereum now. Internet is very laggy. Okay, Ethereum head and shoulders also forming with the weakening right shoulder. Very bearish, everyone. It looks like it's going to drop more. Target for Ethereum is 2026. We'll have one bounce here, 2,300, but I think it drops below that. 4 hourly, we are oversold. Sorry, the internet is a little bit slow, which is weird because it's got 5G. 4 hourly, we are oversold, and it's trying to turn up but lowering volume. So I think we're going to drop target 2026. Let's check out my Ethereum short, up $243 from yesterday, 36%. My take profit is 2,150. So I think it's going to drop to 2,026. So I'll slightly modify that, 2,026. Which is beautiful. Should I add to this short? I would. It looks pretty bearish on Ethereum. It could have a slight recovery as well on Ethereum. Let's see. On the 4-hourly, oversold. On the daily, we're heading down strongly. On the hourly, we're oversold. So we can have a slight recovery. So I'll add to my Ethereum short here, 2668. I'm going to add another. So I'll make this Ethereum short, which is currently, my Ethereum short is $660 short, 245 in the profit, so 37%. I'm going to add another, going to add more to this Ethereum short. I'll add another, I'll add more to the short. So I'll go add more to this Ethereum short here. And again, tight stop loss. Sorry, the charts are being weird today. Trading, you see. With my tight stop loss here. And the take profit 2206 here. That'll be a 2.17 ratio trade. For every Ethereum, you'll get 268 risk, $581 profit. So I'll add to this short here at 2685. So I'm going to add more. Ethereum short 2685. I'll add another $500 to the short. Confirm it's another 2 Ethereum 10x leverage. Confirmed. So I've got those 2 orders set and they'll automatically execute. And the take profit will be 2026. Beautiful. So those are my trades on Ethereum. Again, if you want to trade like you just saw me do, you can learn all of this Bitcoin trading Bybit using this link. You get a sign-up bonus for the trading software, 4,100 USD when you deposit Bitcoin. It goes into your account. This link down below. And also, if you want to learn all this crypto master course, you can join it and learn with my 6,000 students. These links are under the video, and I teach you everything that I just showed right now. And we've also have like a Twitter, an Instagram, a Telegram, lots of stuff. I'm going to show you now some more information. Coin market cap, we've got 5 days left of an airdrop for 5.6 million MCRT tokens. 5 days left. There's going to be 20,000 winners, so pay attention to MCRT. Yesterday, Magicraft on CoinMarketCap had hit 4.2 million people on the watch list. The Twitter is now 57,500. It's growing so quick. 45,000 subscribers on Telegram. Insanely quick growth on CoinMarketCap. On MCRT. 4.2 million people now on the watch list of MCRT, which is amazing. These are some more 3D designs of the characters that are going to be from World of Warcraft. We're building a World of Warcraft play to earn. Thank you so much, James. There's no way this channel doesn't get to 1 million subscribers. There's more value than any other channel. Thank you, Hamza. Sunny, your trades are helping me keep profitable on Bybit. Thank you for the videos, James. No worries, Sunny. Elizabeth, your timing on Bitcoin and Ethereum short was perfect. I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. Socrates quote, which is beautiful. This is the trades from the day before. If you followed those trades, I've got 50% on Ethereum profits, 62% on Bitcoin. They're the ones from before these current trades. Magicraft MCRT on CoinMarketCap had 3.1 million people on the watch list yesterday. And now we hit 4.2 million people. So it's growing like crazy. So that's all the information I can share. It's too much. A lot of information. Stay safe out there, protect your capital. What I'm waiting for to deploy my millions is to wait for the bottom for Bitcoin stocks and then buy up everything. And I think a very extreme fear spike is going to come. I don't think it's here yet. And we can see extreme drops on the stock market. We're close to World War III, everyone. So it's dangerous times. And when there's blood in the streets, unfortunately, it's literally, then you start buying. But I don't think we're there yet. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru. Hit the subscribe. 70,000 people. I think we're finally hitting it today. We're like 69,920 people or something like this, which is amazing. Thank you for all the people that have joined me on this journey from, if you follow this channel for a year and a half, we're 1,000 subscribers, now nearly 70,000 subscribers. I wish you abundance. My goal is abundance for all. I wish you happiness. Let me know, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think we're going to have one more? Do you think we're dropping strongly and going to have another fear spike? Or do you think this is the bottom? Is the bottom in? Yes or no down there below in the comments. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.